first Indian woman to be decorated with Bharat Ratna? Indira Gandhi. How many languages does the Indian Constitution recognize? 22. Who is known as Flying Sikh of India? Milkha Singh. Who was the last Mughal emperor ruled in India? Bahadur Shah Zafar II. When is India's first Independence Day celebrated? 15th August 1947. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Peace Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. Which city is known as Pink City of India? Jaipur. Which is the first biosphere reserve in India? Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Which temple is dedicated to the sun god is shaped like a chariot and where it is located? Konark Sun Temple in Puri. What are the names of the houses of parliament? The Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Which national park harbors the largest number of one-horned rhinos? Kaziranga National Park. In which state of India is the International Kite Festival celebrated? Gujarat. What is the national heritage animal of India? Elephant. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located? Bangalore. What is the official language of India? Hindi. Which state in India has the highest population? Uttar Pradesh. What are the countries that share boundaries with India? China, Afghanistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Nepal and Pakistan. Who was the India's first Prime Minister? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which Indian state has the smallest coastline? Goa. Which latitude passes along India? Tropic of Cancer. Which is the largest union territory of India? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. What is the national sports of India? Hockey. What is the national information letter of India? White letter. Who was India's first woman cabinet minister? Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Which is the longest river in India? Ganga, according to distance covered within India. Brahmaputra is longer overall, flowing through Tibet, Bangladesh and India. Which is the southernmost city of India? Kanyakumari. Which of the 7 wonders of the world is located in India? Taj Mahal. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Itanagar. Who was India's first president? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which is the hottest place in India? Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state in India? Goa. What is the total area of India? 3,287,263 square kilometers. Who was the first Indian woman in space? Kalpana Chawla. Who was the first Indian in space? Rakesh Sharma. Who built the Jama Masjid? Shah Jahan. Who was the first Indian scientist to win Nobel Prize? C.V. Raman. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first Indian man to climb Mount Everest without oxygen? Theodore-ji. What is the capital of Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram. Who was the first Indian woman to win the Miss World title? Rita Faria. What is the percentage of Indian population engaged in the agriculture? 60%. Where is the India's most prized tea growth? Darjeeling. Which is the coffee producing state in India? Karnataka. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Shimla. Mumbai is the capital of which state? Maharashtra. Who was the first Indian to win the Booker Prize? Arundhati Roy. Bhabha Atomic Research Center is located in Mumbai. Who is called Shakespeare of India? Kalidas. Which city is known as City of Nawab?